Hello everyone, my name is Mehak Jain and I've secured All India Rank 17 in this year's Civil Service Examination. I would like to acknowledge the role of Kalam IAS Academy.
Hello, this is Sri Pooja. I want to thank Kalam IAS for their support in my journey, particularly in essay writing in the mains answer writing practice.
I am Suryaban Yadav. I have recently secured rank 27 in the Civil Services Examination of 2022. In the context of Kalam IAS, I have received a mains answer writing program and its guidance on the same. And more specifically on the ethics part, I have received the guidance.
Hello and welcome to Kalam IAS. This is Shubham Dubey, Faculty for Economics at Kalam IAS. We are starting with certain initiatives which we have utilized in past year also, and that has benefited many candidates this year in mains as well as in prelims. For this year, the students who are going to appear for the next attempt in 2024, we have come up with our Bootcamp series. In the Bootcamp series, we are going to take two programs, the prelims part and the mains aspect. With that, the prelims 2024 Bootcamp, it is Sweat to Success, and again the mains 2024 Bootcamp Sweat to Success program. In these programs, we have strategically developed sectional tests. Along with the sectional test, the subject-wide options, accumulation of many PYQs and many practice questions that will further help you to succeed in the mission. Let me show you something. The bit nitty-gritty of this part of Prelims 2024 Bootcamp, where we'll be having 26 half-sectional tests, out of which 6 from polity, 6 from history, 6 from economy, and 6 from geography, and 2 from current affairs. Furthermore, we'll be having 5 full sectional tests and around 2000 MCQs we'll be covering from different sources of UPSC examinations like NDA, CDS, EPFO and other aspects. All these will help you to succeed in Prelims 2024. Furthermore, content is the king, we all know. We will be providing you CSAT 20 plus hours lectures. As we have seen in past few years, the CSAT has been very crucial for the selection and for the prelims qualifications. That means if you need to qualify prelims, your CSAT should be mastered, and for that we are giving you a faculty who's an IIT topper and also CSE rank holder. He will be providing 20 plus hours of recorded lectures. Then the static subject wise notes, KGP, which has been very essential and very helpful for the candidates who have qualified prelims this time. Also the K-Snippet 365, which is having so much of good information and quality information which will help you in your prelims examination. Along with it, the current edge booklet, which has played a very important role in the mains examination as well as prelims examination this time. Apart from it, the joker in this pack, which is very crucial and very important, is the notes making and review by CSE experts, mentorship by CSE selected candidates, and the coverage of different themes, important themes in 150 plus hour segment. So all these things we are going to give you in this Prelims 2024 Bootcamp series. Now the next 4 months are very crucial for all of you who are going to write next year the prelims and mains examination of CSE, and for that we have come up with another program, that is Bootcamp program for mains 2024. In that, you will be given the content, recorded lectures on that. Apart from it, 1 hour test will be followed by 1.5 hour discussion. The evaluation and mentorship on daily basis, workshops on essay and ethics answer writing will be given to you. Integrated with GS mains test series and face-to-face evaluation, which has been very crucial. Many candidates who have joined our RLP series and replay series have seen the benefit of the face-to-face evaluation provided by us to you. The mark improvement booklets, which has played very important role in writing essays, ethics and all GS4 papers. Then F2F, an evaluation will be done by the CSE toppers. Give test anywhere and give face-to-face evaluation. If you have joined any other test series, you can, if you are a part of this program, you have enrolled in this program, you can come up with that copy and we will do the face-to-face evaluation with you so that you can know the better aspect, where to do the quality enrichment part, where to improve your own self. Furthermore, the mentorship and notes review will always be there. And with all these concepts, the Kalam wants you to succeed in this process in one go. not in different processes. First you are in this process and that process. We have came up with something which is very essential, which is very crucial for the selection. And for that, this thing is not going to affect you more. So 2 days for prelims 2024 and 2 days for mains 2024, we have planned something like that. And with that, this is the time when you need to work on your weak areas. Many aspirants who are still struggling to qualify the prelims examination, and many aspirants who are lacking with few marks or more marks at the same time in the mains examination. For all of you, we have come up with an innovative idea of bootcamp. And this is going to help you out in all the processes and journey of the examination. Let me tell you something. What bootcamp is? It is not just a test series, but a step-by-step ladder which will involve you into practicing the questions, and performance-wise you will be better, and both the things will lead to succeed. And these aspects will help you out in changing and transforming your journey of UPSC, which is still lacking or struggling somewhere at different point of time. Furthermore, you can join us at telegram.me Kalam IAS and get the best out of you with the Kalam IAS family, with the Kalam IAS Academy.